Yes, good morning, my people. What a beautiful sunshine. Yep, beautiful sunshine. And this is the aftermath of the storm yesterday. Yeah, beautiful. We have lots of sun, but it's cold. The cold outweighs the sun. Look at the mountain over there. Beautiful. Very lovely day, but cold. After the storm, there must be a calm. Yep, I'm at work presently. This is where I work. This is the complex that I work on. I work for Whole Foods. Yep, this is my car. Yep. What a beautiful day. Cold but beautiful. This is nature. That's what it looks like, ladies and gentlemen. After the storm, there must be a calm. Yep. So, ladies and gentlemen, let me get back inside and go do some work. Yep.